Hi, this is Jason and Liz and Wyatt at Hello RC, and tonight we have an unboxing to do. This is the RC four-wheel drive Galande Autobiography Limited Edition.
This is a vehicle that Jason left the store. He did not want me to get. He says, that is not what I'm after. And then I came home and I ordered what I wanted. And then he's like, let's go back and get that one. So we have two unboxings to do this week because he didn't want the one he got. So he likes this one, the
Never
one I
really
picked out.
paid attention much to this truck, but after I saw it and then came home and watched some videos of it, I really started to
look
like
at it. It's not even red. It's like a rusty red.
Oh man, that's nice.
That's pretty. I thought it was gonna be red. Wow, that's pretty. That surprised me. Does it have steady get a cut? Oh, I love the color.
Should have brought the side cuts up, but this'll work.
Super cool. I love it. Oh my god, I can't wait to touch it.
Doors and keep shut.
The door's open then. That means... Oh, neat. It's broke. I bet it's because the plastic's in there. It won't shut.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff taped shut. Look at the hood. It's taped shut. There's no people inside of there. We'll have to put a person in there. There's place for a person.
Man, that paint, that finish is... That's my paint job.
I can't wait to see what's under there. Is there one on the back too? Is there a door on the back?
I don't know, it opens. There's a door. That does open.
Oh, neat.
Full
Oh, that's
interior.
cool. I like when trucks have doors that open. Why
Yeah.
don't all trucks' doors open?
Is the hood open?
Oh, see, they all want to make their trucks like this. This is more
It is pretty
normal,
nice.
not fake. Here,
Oh,
get in here.
The seats in the back actually fold down.
Oh, no way. Oh my
that's
gosh.
too cool. It opens.
This door just kind of closes.
There's the...
Is it? What do you mean it kind of closes?
It just,
Oh, it just pulls back. Is there an extra wheel under the spare wheel?
I figure out how it closes.
Oh,
Oh, it latches. Oh,
yeah,
that's
well,
neat.
that's pretty cool. Got it?
No.
No.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Oh my god. That's so cool.
See what we got there. It's like all metal underneath. Aluminum frame. Metal drive shaft. Metal axles. Metal links. Very nice.
I haven't felt it yet. No, you have to get one. That is so cool.
Give a low shot underneath the axles. Yep.
A bunch of stickers. Oh, look at this. Look at this. That's something new.
Yeah.
I've never seen a remote like that.
No,
That's pretty neat.
the door needs adjusted a little bit.
Oh, man. That's neat.
So we're taking the body pins out now. We heard this was tricky to do.
Some
so
guy put this in the wrong. I would have
Yeah.
put the circle the other way.
you gotta have needle nose pretty much to do it, unless you got
Well,
really
look. How are you going to get this past
really
that?
tiny
Huh?
fingers. You gotta rotate it.
Well, even sideways, it's not
There you
going to
go.
clear.
You're getting close
It's
now.
not clearing it. Look. You're going to have
just
to
gotta
bend it.
Flex it up a little bit.
That's not good for it. You're going to have to put the clips in the right way.
I might
And
have
you
to customize my clips a little bit.
It's like doing surgery.
I'm gonna take
Go
the other
on.
two out.
I got 'em. Oh, is there some back here?
Look underneath the bumper there in the
Isn't
rear.
there 4 always?
Yeah,
on a
there's
car?
4. That bumper hooks onto the body somehow in the back. There's some sort of tabs.
Oh, I see them. You've been doing your research on this
Yep.
truck. I would have never known that.
Push in on the body, right in the center in the back some.
On
Push-
this thing?
Push in on the body.
Oh, okay. I got it. Oh, man, this is nice. Oh, it's heavy. Well, look under there. This is all. Look at that. That's nice. Are these doors metal? Must be, because it's
They're plastic.
magnet. Oh. Okay, so this car is the new one. This is the body that just came off of it. It's really hard and heavy. It comes with this battery, and it's sitting next to the glass slipper, the Vanquish VS10 for Ultra body, to show you the size. And the weight, that's heavier. This is heavy though.
Yeah.
Here's some kind of batteries in here it comes with.
Transmitter batteries.
I don't know what's in there.
Charger.
And a nickel metal hydride.
How many milliamp is it?
3,000.
3,000.
And then,
I think that's just the wall charger for the battery.
bunch of goodies in there. All kinds of different chargers. Right there.
Got a 45 turn RC 4-wheel drive crawler motor. Not sure. That's RC 4-wheel drive steering servo. So here's the chassis for the
What is
RC
that?
4-wheel drive.
What does this thing do?
That's a drive shaft that goes from
Oh
the
my gosh.
gearbox to the transfer
Feel
case.
how that goes.
So the gearbox and the transfer case are separate on this.
This is nice.
I'm hearing this steering servo is actually pretty good. It's a Metal Gear steering servo, and I'm hearing it has a lot of power, so we'll find out.
What kind is it?
I'm not sure, but it's got
Well,
a 45
it
turn
says on there.
RC 4-wheel drive motor. Sure about the ESC, but it looks a lot like the Hobby Wing that I have. There's the battery tray. Like I said, this transmission, transfer case, axles, shocks, drive shafts,
What's in here?
all metal. These feel that frame. That's a thick aluminum frame rail. Very nice.
RC 4-wheel drive, it
Yep.
says on it. It's pretty nice.
Yep, super nice. So we can't wait to get this thing out and run it.
We aren't going to run it hard.
You're not gonna run it hard.
You're not going to run it hard.
But anyways,
It's going to be taken care of. It's a nice one.
yep.
It's not for crashing. It's for going
No,
easy.
this is more of a trail truck than a crawler, but it has a little bit of capability. We'll see what it can do.
Don't stretch your springs.
No. But
All right.
anyways, this is Hello RC again, and thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Well, What do you think?
I think it is cute as can be. Oh my.